Hey investors, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about IDEX Stock, conducting IDEX Stock analysis. That is the company Ideanomics, the EV and FinTech company that has shown phenomenal potential. We're covering it today because there's some evidence of a short squeeze potentially coming up in play, and we're on the back of their latest earnings report and the Joe Biden infrastructure plan. So this company is potentially going to benefit massively off this. So we're going to dive into it, we're going to have a look, and we're going to see what's going on. If that sounds like something you're interested in today, do please smash that like button, consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in there. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So here we are on the Ideanomics IDEX stock page, and we can see that it's up 8.3% today based on its strong earnings report, the Biden infrastructure plan, and there's a potential short squeeze in play. More on that in a minute. So we're currently at a share price of $3.16, down from a spike today of $3.32 or so, but definitely up since March, the 26th of March, where it was down at $2.76. Market cap now approximately $1.17 billion, and that is because there's a huge amount of potential with this company. So moving on to why it initially climbed that far, its 2020 earnings results came in with $26.8 million in overall revenue and $19.5 million in EV revenue, up a whopping 600% on the prior year. The 2020 revenue includes the company's first sales of charging and battery systems. IDEX expects the charging system revenues to grow as the wave induction charging business acquired in January starts generating far more revenue and showing up financials this quarter. The CEO is very pleased with the transformation that has taken place. Due to the global pandemic, it has been absolutely fantastic that they've managed to get anywhere, especially with how difficult the business environment has been. Now, moving on to the next thing that we're going to talk about is the Biden infrastructure plan. This is Joe Biden's administration spending nearly $2 trillion on infrastructure in the United States. Now, the key bit here, although it's good all over the place for infrastructure companies and EV companies alike, the key bit I'm concentrating on in this statement is create good jobs for electrifying vehicles. It's proposing to spend $174 billion investment to win in the EV market. That is a colossal amount of money, guys, and they're aiming to build 500,000 EV chargers by 2030, promoting strong labour, training and installation standards, and replace 50,000 diesel transit vehicles and electrify at least 20% of the yellow school bus fleet. I know that doesn't apply directly 100% to IDEX, but they do deal in charging infrastructure, so you can definitely take away from that side of things that they could potentially win some really good contracts in there and be part of the electric revolution that is going on. Now, moving on again from this, Wall Street bets there is over 20% short interest in this company, and with the share price rocketing up again today, that is going to grow further probably. So 2 days ago, Odd Mammoth said we see IDEX being extremely undervalued when you factor in all the recent acquisitions. With about 15% of the float short, it's actually higher than that, guys, over 20% now. We'll see that in a second. And with just a market cap of $1.1 billion, IDEX is a prime target for a short squeeze by Wall Street Bets Reddit crowd. Now, I know for a fact that all you guys will probably roll your eyes because seemingly every single YouTuber out there is now saying short squeezing this, short squeezing that, everything all over the shop. But this legitimately has some grounds to it, and it is on the official Wall Street Bets Reddit page. So there is some credibility to this. You have to take it with a pinch of salt, but it fits the category. It's got over 20% of short interest. It's a very high potential company, and it will be helped out massively by a short squeeze, essentially, in terms of traders making an awful lot of money, but the company could also sell some shares as well and make a little bit of money for itself, just like AMC and GME did. Now, if we have a look at the short interest side of things, we can see that it's currently sitting, as of Thursday the 1st of April 2021, at 24%. Current shares short 31,170,000, and it was prior at 25 million. So there is definitely grounds there for the Wall Street Bets crowd to get behind. Now the initial volume around this stock is massively high at the moment because of the high potential that it is demonstrating off the back of strong earnings, and it's trading near the high end of its 65-day average, and it has a market cap of, as we said, 1.1 billion. There are plenty of major holders in this company: mutual funds, institutional holders and direct holders with quite considerable positions, and there's 371.6 million shares outstanding, and there you can see there the short interest change has gone up quite a bit, and it represents just under 10% of the float, as long as Barron's data is up to date there. And then the one research analyst into this company does rate it as a buy, actually, just to squeeze this into the video, and has a price target of $5 a share. So even with that boost today, this company is still a ways short of that $5 price target, even though it is up 8% today at $3.17 a share. This company has got high potential. The short squeeze play is something for traders and the Wall Street bets crowd to make an awful lot of money on and help the company out that way, but believe in this company's potential long term. It is in a very, very hot sector. It's in fact two very, very hot sectors. Fintech is one side of its revenue stream that it has acquired multiple things in, and then the EV charging side is another. Both of them are very, very valuable right now, and they can generate significant revenue from that, and there's also the hype factor to consider as well. So do take that away from this video as well, guys. There is the potential there to be a long-term player in this company. There is also the potential to play the short squeeze and obviously trade the short-term news around this one, especially with what's going on. So do bear that in mind. So full disclosure, guys, I absolutely love this company. I love the look of it, and to disclose my position on it, I actually sold a little while ago before the company actually went up on this recent spike. However, all I was doing was repurposing that money somewhere else. I do believe massively in this company, and I do plan on taking up another position in the company and holding long on it, especially now revenue is coming online with it. I'm massively bullish on this company. I hope you are too. If there is a short squeeze in the company and there is the opportunity to sell at a massive high and then buy back in at a later date, that is also a play to consider as well. But take it from me, I believe in this company, and you should at least have a look and do your due diligence and have a look at it too. Thank you for watching today, guys. Absolute pleasure as always to bring you this information. Hopefully I'll catch you in another HCMC episode or another investing episode further down the line. See you later.